and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. Today is a super simple one, both ingredients and method. Today I am doing a mushroom pasta. Let's go. I'm going to be starting off with some chopped shallot. I'll be adding some garlic. About a quarter red bell pepper, chopped. And some Szechuan red pepper flakes. To that mixture, I'm going to be adding shiitake mushrooms and regular brown sliced. Gotta have mushrooms for a mushroom pasta. The mushrooms are ready and the pasta is ready. Let's put it together. As you can see, the pasta is done. The mushrooms are done. And we're just going to simply put these together. I'm on a real low heat. Gonna add some parsley. Some grated Parmesan cheese. Some kosher salt. Black pepper. And I'm just going to mix it all together. I'm going to add just a little bit of the reserved pasta water. On to the next step. And here's the final presentation of the simple and quick mushroom pasta. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. If you liked this recipe, you can find it and many more on the Casual Chef website. Have fun cooking.